Hi everybody and welcome to this video on probability. In this video, we're going to have a look at the use of tables. The last video, we spoke about compound events, which is more than one event, and a table is a great way to represent two events or attributes. So here below, we have an example of a table. These are high school students. Each of the columns gives us which grade they are in. So they can be in grade 10, grade 11, grade 12, and the last column gives us the total. And each row gives us the subject choice between maths and maths lit. So, and then the last row is the total. So for example, here we have this 50 in the first entry over here, which means that there are 50 students who are doing maths and in grade 10. There are 43 students that are doing maths and in grade 11, and there are 35 students that are doing maths and in grade 12. The total number of people doing maths is this number over here, which is 128. The total number of people doing maths lit is 52. So if you add each of these columns, you should get to that total. And then the total number of students, both maths and maths lit, is 180. And if we read now the columns, we get that the total number of students in grade 10 is 60, the total number of students in grade 11 is 60, and the total number of grade 12 students are 60. And once again, if we add those up, we're going to get 180. So this 180 is the total number of students, so our total sample size. Okay, so let us have a look at an exercise answering some questions on this table. So the first question says, what is the probability that a random student is in grade 10? From our probability of definition that we had a look at in an earlier video, the probability of the students in grade 10 is the total number of students that are in grade 10, which is 60, over the total number of students, which is 180. So that we can actually simplify to a third. So the probability that you pick a child at random, a student at random, and they're in grade 10 is a third. What is the probability that a random student is in grade 12? Once again, there's the same number of students in each grade, so it's 60 over 180, which once again can be simplified to a third. Okay, so we're taking the total of the grade 10 or the grade 12 one over the very final total of all of the students. The next question says, what is the probability that a random student does maths lit? So we have to then look at what's the total number of students that do maths lit, which is 52, and then we put it over the total number of students. So what we get is then this is 52 over 180, and if you wanted to simplify that, it would be 13 over 45. Okay. And then for the final student, what is the probability that they are in grade 11 and they do maths? So where are the students that are in grade 11? The students that are in grade 11 are in this column over here. And the students that are doing maths are in this row over here. So we're looking for when they're both in grade 11 and doing maths. So that corresponds to the 43. So that is then 43 over 180. Okay, so that's how we use a table, and that's how we calculate probabilities from tables. Tables are very useful tools, and we'll look at using tables again and looking at independent and dependent events later in the series. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Have a good day. Bye.